Hello, this is the second project report for Team Lazarus, which comprises Lydia Green, Zach Shearer, Amanda Montivaro, and Steven Silverman. Let's jump right in. Both halves of our system use mostly the same workflow for parsing sentences. When given an article, we split it into sentences and filter out those that are too short or too long. Then we run the Stanford Named Entity Recognizer and part of Speech Tagger on each sentence, making sure to compress named entities into single tokens when necessary, and then use the Stanford parser to get full parse trees as seen below. These trees form the basis of both our question generation and question answering systems. For creating questions, we take the completed parsed trees and pre-process them to drill down to simpler sentence structures. Eliminating unnecessary complexity allows us to make more well-formed questions, and there's still plenty of information to draw from. Once we've done that, we look for certain syntactic structures that we're confident we can manipulate, and group the sentences accordingly. Then we start actually creating questions, using techniques like subject auxiliary inversions, phase matching, and WH word movement to turn a factual statement into a related question. Lastly, we post-process the output to make sure that the question is well formed, and then rank the questions based on our confidence about their relevance and grammaticality before returning as many as were requested. Meanwhile, we apply several techniques to generate answers to questions. If we can directly identify a general class of questions to which a given question belongs, informed by looking at questions that we and other teams have generated, then we can apply a predefined set of rules to drill down to the most important parts of the question, making it easier to find relevant sentences in the article. If we can't, we perform fuzzy matching to find the most probable sentences which could contain the information needed to generate an answer. Once we have candidate sentences from either technique, we analyze them to extract the clauses containing the requested information. Finally, we clean up the syntax to ensure that our answer is grammatical and then return. Thanks for listening.